The US SEC has proposed a settlement with Ripple's CEO, and this could change everything for XRP holders. The big question now is, could XRP's price skyrocket to $8,300 following this major move? This settlement has the potential to reshape the future of XRP, and investors are eagerly waiting to see how it will play out. The settlement proposal could finally bring an end to the ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the SEC, which has been one of the biggest obstacles in XRP's path. If this proposal goes through, it would mean XRP's legal status could be clarified, and that could lead to massive price movements. For months, the SEC lawsuit has cast a shadow over XRP's future, holding back potential adoption by financial institutions and regulatory clarity that investors have been waiting for. So what does this settlement actually mean for XRP's future? Is this the turning point that will trigger the massive price surge everyone's been waiting for? With XRP's role in global payments growing and institutional interest increasing, this settlement could be the key that unlocks a new chapter for XRP, leading to higher value and wider adoption. Let's break down exactly what's happening and how this could change everything for XRP holders. The SEC settlement proposal could mark a major turning point in XRP's journey, and it's crucial to understand what this means for the asset's legal standing and future. If this settlement goes through, XRP's legal battle with the SEC could finally come to an end, and this would resolve much of the uncertainty surrounding the coin's status as a security. Right now, XRP is classified by the SEC as a security, and this has been one of the primary issues holding back its growth in the US market. If the settlement results in XRP being declared a non-security, it would give it the green light for widespread use in financial markets and open the door for more institutional adoption. Financial institutions, which have been hesitant to adopt XRP due to regulatory concerns, could finally feel comfortable using it as part of their payment systems for cross-border transactions. This legal clarity would also improve investor confidence. With the legal cloud lifted, investors could pile into XRP, knowing that it has greater regulatory certainty. This could lead to a massive influx of institutional money as more players in the financial world embrace XRP as a legally compliant asset. In addition, Ripple's partnerships with various banks, payment providers, and financial institutions could accelerate if the settlement passes. Ripple has already been working hard to integrate XRP into real-world financial systems, but this legal resolution could be the final push needed to cement XRP as a leading solution for cross-border payments. If the SEC settlement with Ripple leads to greater regulatory clarity and adoption of XRP, this could be the catalyst for a major price surge in the coming months. Let's dive deeper into what kind of price action we could see if the settlement goes through and how this could potentially lead XRP to $8,300. Now that we know what the SEC settlement could mean for XRP's legal status, the big question is, could this lead XRP to $8,300? Let's break down the factors that would make such a massive price increase possible and what it would take for XRP to reach that level in the market. To start, reaching $8,300 per XRP would represent a massive increase in market capitalization. For this to happen, institutional demand would need to skyrocket. As we know, XRP is a top player in the digital currency space, especially in the realm of cross-border payments, but its current price doesn't reflect its real-world use case. If Ripple's partnerships continue to expand, and the company secures more deals with global banks, payment processors, and financial institutions, demand for XRP would increase significantly. Ripple's on-demand liquidity, ODL, is already being used by multiple large companies, and a favorable legal outcome could pave the way for even more widespread adoption, driving up demand. This demand surge could then push the price higher and higher as more institutions start using XRP in their daily operations. Next, we need to consider the market cap implications. If XRP were to hit $8,300, it would need to capture an enormous portion of the global market, possibly surpassing the entire crypto market's current value. This would be a long-term goal that could take time, but it's not completely out of reach. The right combination of institutional adoption, legal clarity, and market demand could propel XRP to new heights. There's also the factor of global financial shifts. Central banks around the world are exploring blockchain solutions and digital currencies, and XRP is well positioned to be a major player in that future. If governments and banks start embracing XRP as a standard for settlement and digital transactions, it could transform the entire financial ecosystem, increasing its value and pushing it toward higher price targets like $8,300. Is this level achievable? It's clear that XRP has the potential, but only time will tell. It's up to Ripple's continued growth, market adoption, and regulatory clarity to determine how far XRP can go. So, what are the risks and challenges standing in the way of XRP reaching such a massive price? While the potential for XRP to reach $8,300 is certainly exciting, there are still several risks and challenges that could stand in the way of this massive price increase. Even with institutional adoption, legal clarity, and growing demand, there are market forces and external factors that could create roadblocks along the way. First, the most significant risk is regulatory uncertainty. Even though the SEC lawsuit may be nearing its end, other regulatory bodies around the world could still introduce new policies or restrictions that might affect XRP. The legal status of XRP is still a key issue, and if new regulations arise, it could disrupt XRP's market growth or slow down its integration into global financial systems. Ripple's ongoing efforts to clarify its legal standing are critical, but there's no guarantee that global regulators will always be on Ripple's side. Next, market volatility is another risk. The cryptocurrency market is known for its wild price swings, and even with positive developments, XRP could still face sharp corrections or periods of low liquidity. If Bitcoin or Ethereum experience significant price drops, XRP could follow suit, and short-term price fluctuations could prevent it from maintaining steady growth toward higher price targets. Competition from other digital assets is also something XRP needs to watch. As stablecoins, CBDCs, and other blockchain platforms continue to gain traction, they could start to compete with XRP in the cross-border payment space. New technologies or better regulated alternatives might emerge, and if XRP fails to maintain its edge, it could lose market share to these newcomers, impacting its price. Finally, whale activity is always a factor to consider. Large holders of XRP could sell off significant amounts if they see a short-term opportunity, causing temporary dips in price. These kinds of price corrections are common in the crypto space, and while they may not prevent XRP's long-term growth, they could delay its journey toward higher valuations. Despite these challenges, XRP's long-term potential remains strong due to its utility, increasing adoption, and Ripple's commitment to expanding its network. As investors, it's essential to keep an eye on market trends and major updates to understand how XRP is evolving. So, what's next for XRP? What key developments should investors be watching in the coming months to gauge the future direction of XRP? Let's take a look at what lies ahead for XRP and how it could break through the obstacles standing in its way. As we look ahead, there are several key developments that could shape the future of XRP and help it overcome the risks standing in its way. Ripple's next steps, legal rulings, and market signals will be crucial in determining whether XRP can reach $8,300 or whether it will face setbacks along the way. First, the final resolution of the SEC lawsuit is expected to be a game changer for XRP. If Ripple wins the case or secures a favorable settlement, it could bring clear regulatory guidance that paves the way for mass adoption and institutional interest. This would